Hi guys, welcome to another Seb Sesh. I'm Seb, head bartender and mixologist at Tonic, and I'm here today to present to you our perfect serve on our ROOBEE Rhubarb and Organic Honey Gin. So the perfect serve for this is gonna go with Elderflower tonic, is gonna go with raspberries and fresh basil. So I'm just gonna start off by pre-chilling your glass, and I'll tell you a bit about our ROOBEE Gin in the meantime. So ROOBEE Gin is our second gin ever created, but it had such a huge success, it became our top seller in a matter of no time. It's made with fresh cut rhubarb, and we use London organic honey to create a long, lingering finish on it. So the glass is nice and chilled. We're gonna discard the ice. And now we're ready for a double ounce of the ROOBEE Rhubarb Gin. Next, we're gonna ice that up all the way to the top. And for the tonic, we're gonna go for Elderflower. So give that just an extra stir to blend in all the flavors together. And to finish it off, we're gonna go for fresh raspberries, but also fresh basil. Same as with the mint, you wanna give that just a gentle slap. We like to say bring it to life, but it actually enhances all the flavor. Right, so there we have it. We have Rhubarb ROOBEE Gin, perfect serve with Elderflower tonic, with fresh basil and fresh raspberries. Enjoy, cheers.